Are you a woman that's suffering with night sweats or hot flashes? How about difficulty managing your weight? Walk around with a bit of brain fog or just have lower levels of energy? How about increased levels of anxiety or depression? Or even worse, just a general lack of motivation where it's difficult to get through your day, let alone get through your workout and manage all that life has to bring to you. I'm Dr. Jones, DC with Colorado Medical Solutions. And in this short video, we're gonna talk about this revolutionary therapy, BioIdentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, or BHRT for short, and how it's been such a game changer in our clinic for the management of these symptoms in our women patient base, and how our practice has actually evolved to become more of a women's-based healthcare clinic where our female practitioners truly understand just how to manage a woman's delicate hormonal system by the management of those symptoms and many more in a much more effective and safe manner. Okay, so just what is BHRT? BHRT is a therapy in which we replace the body's lower levels of key hormones back to an optimal range, and we maintain them at that new optimal range. And the reason why we do that is because those symptoms, and many more, in most cases actually came from a lower level of hormones to begin with. So we just gotta optimize those levels and maintain them to handle those symptoms. It really is that simple. Now, we don't just stop there. We also include an autoimmune support component to our program. And the reason why we do that is because autoimmune diseases, unfortunately, rapidly increasing. Recent statistics that I have read have said 8% of the population suffer from an autoimmune condition. And unfortunately for our women, 2/3 of that group consist of women. And so we need to address the autoimmune conditions because those increased levels of inflammation that result from the autoimmune conditions are going to impact the success and the results of your BHRT program. So we don't just stop there. We also include a holistic recommendation, sort of a lifestyle intervention where we can talk about supplementation, exercise, and diet so that you and everybody in our program can really maximize the results. Because at Colorado Medical Solutions, it is all about reducing prescriptions, preventing surgeries, and restoring optimal health. So if you're suffering with night sweats, hot flashes, difficulty managing your weight, lower levels of energy, increased levels of anxiety or depression, or just a lack of motivation, then you need to get in, call that number, schedule a free consultation in my practice, let's get your levels checked, and let's get you back on track with restoring that quality of life. I'm Dr. Jones, DC, and I'll see you in the practice.